In front of me is DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files, which is this one, and launch it. Now, if you never used it before, select Continue, tap on Allow, and then click on Downloads category. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are here. To open one, tap on it on the left, and to manage it, use those options at the top right corner. You can also tap on this one at the bottom. But what I always recommend is holding your file here and using those options at the top right corner. This way you can also pick multiple ones, and even by clicking on this dot at the top right corner of this section, you can pick all of them at once. I also recommend to use those three dots next to any file to access those options, like rename. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!